Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off charging sounds as well as vibration settings as it pertains to charging notifications on your Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. And then you want to go down and select sound and vibration. And then scroll down again. Underneath where it says charging sounds and vibration, if you want to have this turned on, have it toggle to the right, just click inside of here until it's blue. If you want to disable this, the charging sounds and vibration, click inside the oval one time to turn that off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.